So this is exercise 4-2 in the textbook. Once again, we're going to be working with polylines, but this time we're going to be modifying the width of the polyline as we go. So we're going to start a new drawing. I'm going to go new, and I'm going to use the AutoCAD template. I'm going to turn off my grid. I want to turn on ortho mode. Okay. And I'm going to select the polyline tool. Remember, the polyline tool is on the home ribbon right here. I could also type PL to start the polyline. And I'm going to invoke the polyline. And when asked for the top start point, I'm going to go 2, 2. All right. And it asks me for the next point, or the length, or the width. I'm going to type W for width, and I'm going to say my starting width is going to be 0, and my ending width is going to be 0.8. Okay, and then what's my next point? My next point, and here we go. So you can kind of see, I've got this rubber band effect. I'm going in ortho mode. I want my next point, I want my arrowhead to be 0.75 units. So I'm going to click 0.75 units, and then I'm going to change the width again. So I'm going back to the width, and I'm going to set my width to 0.4. And my ending width will also be 0.4, and I'm just going to do a distance of 5. And so now I've created an arrow that I could use for annotating my drawing. And that's how you create a polyline changing the width.